die too young. 100 miles per hour, might smash if the kid die young. The kid die young. Pushing to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'm a big place, I'm a name in the stone. My name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. My name in the stone.
What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Since the transmission for this F250 is getting here next week, we're going to go ahead and start messing with it. And today I'll be installing the PHP Hrydra PCM chip because it's got a crappy programmer in it right now, and I'm not running the built transmission on those tunes. So the first thing we're going to need to do is get the computer out the truck and bring it inside, and that way we can start installing it in there. Take that 10 mil out of this connector right here. It's a single connector. And then we're gonna pull that out the ECM, and then we're gonna go inside and take the ECM out from the inside. Now that the connector is disconnected, we're gonna go from the inside and pull out the computer. So to pull the ECM out, you got a bolt here and then a bolt right up top, right above it. And you can pull those two 7mm bolts out, and then you can pull the whole computer encasing out. Once you get these two nuts out, pull on your computer some, and there it is, the cover and the ECM. So now that we got the ECM out, we got all our PHP goodies. We got our cable, tuning cable, our chip, the jelly built controller, Velcro and the cable for the controller, our little cleaning stuff, and our ECM. So the first thing we're gonna do is slide that off, and then we're gonna take the ECM apart and clean the ECM. 6 bolts, they're 5.5mm. Now that we got the cover off, take that cover off, pull that one off. Oh, that one, a little plastic that we're not going to need anymore. Now we just have to get all this silicone off of here. Zip tie.
That's what I did. Your plastic piece?
I was finna cut a hole in it.
I cut mine out because it was rubbing against the car. I cut mine back out.
And that way you can always access your chip without taking the whole computer out. And just like that, it's ready to get thrown back in the truck. I put a little zip tie right here just to give it a little bit of stability. I didn't tighten it up too much because you want to be careful with that ribbon. I have plenty of room if I decide I need to get to the chip for anything. Make sure connection's good or something, blah, 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 blah. Got our 2 cables ready to go. All you gotta do is put it back in, put your 2 bolts, go on the outside, hook your connector back up, put your 10mm back tight, and that's it. It is installed. Got our ribbon cable looking neat going up. I pulled the dash out slightly, tucked the ribbon cable through, used our Velcro to attach it. Then I got my tuning cable wrapped up with one of the twist ties that came with it. Just for now, I think I'm gonna pretty much leave it there. Probably. And then if I ever need tuning, just untwist it and then pull it out, and that'll be it. Yep, now that part's ready for the transmission. That'll be here this week. It's exciting. Finally get this truck back up and running and get it in front the box trailer. So that's it for this video. So I appreciate you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like and subscribe button and see you next time. Peace.